just over the Tompkins-Cayuga County line. You guys, we've got a great ranch-style home, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, lots of upgrades, beautiful full basement, plenty of storage, and you guys, an amazing in-ground pool here with a completely fenced yard. And solar, right? So it's all on solar. I don't know if you can see the solar panels back there. But beautiful job they've done here. Easy commute to Ithaca, Auburn, Cortland. Get your swim on.